Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got a little bitty stump I gotta grind, and it's got pea gravel all over it. It's one of them tough ones. It'll dull your teeth real quick, and then you got a window right there. So yeah, that's what you, I didn't know this until I showed up. So but they want to pour concrete right here, and it's gonna be a quick job. I'm gonna take the blower and blow the pea gravel out of the way as much as I can, and then we'll go as deep as I can, try to dig this one out completely for them and go from there. So guys, I got a problem already. The bolt come out of there. They come out of the blade, and now I can't lift this up. So I'm gonna try to push it right there enough to get it unloaded, do this job, and I'll put a bolt in it when I get back to the house. I'm telling you what, man, this whole week I have fought this whole week. Alrighty. Believe it or not, if I had a boat, oh my gosh, it's lined up. I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to have a screwdriver to fix it for a minute. Look at that. Look at that. Now if I had a bolt to go in there, I'll be all right. All right, when all else fails, just get you a hanger. Put it in there, it's just temporary. Let me grind this stump and I'll fix that when I get back to the shop. And they had pea gravel. They loaned me their backpack blower for a minute to clear all this out. I put a door over there to cover that. The homeowner helped me out. They had a door. So yeah, the pea gravel. Oh my gosh, this week has been so, it's been terrible, guys. I mean, it's been, I've dealt with crooks. The guy that climbs for me, he cut his leg with a chainsaw. A guy wrote me a bad check. Not feeling good. You name it. It's been one heck of a week. But I'm fixing to come down here and grind this out. This won't take long. guys, I got that knocked out. Now I'm gonna take the blade and push it up, and this one will be done with. Alright guys, I got that cleaned up. They're going to come in here with a, they're going to pour concrete right here where they can extend their driveway and they can park more cars, so I don't have to really do a whole lot of cleaning. I guess I can level it out some, but I think they're going to haul this all off and all that too. So this is another grind and go kind of job. Second job of the day, small stumps right here, real small shrub bushes. They look like holly, and let me knock them out real quick. got that knocked out. Now I'm gonna take the blade and rake this, and take the blower, blow this real quick, and this job will be done. Alright guys, this is real clumpy. We had some rain, I don't know, last night or whatever, late last night. So this is really hard to rake up, and they're going to landscape this yard, so they're going to tear it up anyway. So it's not like, you know, it's going to matter anyway in this situation. So I'm not going to do, you know, like go all out. I'm going to blow the back deck off a little bit, and then because they're going to redo this whole yard. Yeah, with that being said, I'm fixing to load it up, the stump grinder up, and go to the next job. I want to blow this off and maybe a little raking a little bit, then I'm going to call this one finished and move on to the next one.